Hi guys, my name is Artur. I will be showing you my favorite skincare products for my everyday routine. Hope you enjoy it.
I would always start my skincare routine by double cleansing. Citrus oil and charcoal really help to brighten and depurify the skin. Then I would use our Magic Crystal Serum, which is packed with loads of active ingredients such as niacinamide that gorgeously reduces appearance of any pores, and Charlotte's famous REPLEXIUM that instantly plumps and firms up appearance of a skin. Skin around our under eye is a lot thinner, hence why Magic Eye Rescue is an absolute must for me. It's an amazing brightening eye cream that smooths, hydrates and nourishes delicate eye area. You should use the tiniest amount of product for instant results. Magic Cream Light is my favorite all year around moisturizer. Thanks to coconut alkanes and cranberry seed oil, Magic Cream Light provides instant hydration and the most beautiful natural looking glow. It's your daily triple protection against sun, pollution and blue light. Those 4 quick and easy steps would complete my skincare routine. Thank you for watching.